Welcome back from the short break. Now we have news from sports. Relegation battlers Sporting Club de Goa have kept alive their fight for the I-League survival after a crucial 3-2 victory over Mahindra United. The match was played at the Nehru Stadium in Madgaon on Tuesday.
The Flaming Orange came into this match placed at the bottom of the table and fighting a tough battle to stay in the I-League. The bottom half of the table this season has seen a tight contest with as many as 6 teams sticking it out to stay away from the drop. Mahindra United, however, had nothing much to play for after having lost their chance to continue the title challenge following poor results before this match. Nevertheless, the team from Mumbai shocked the home side to take the lead from the penalty spot in the 22nd minute through Sushil Kumar Singh. Nathaniel Amos brought the Goans back into the contest with the equaliser in the 37th minute. The hosts again fell behind in the 43rd minute when Mohammad Rafi found the target. The Flaming Orange continued to fight and succeeded in drawing level in the 75th minute through Elijah Jr. Adil Khan came up with one of the most important goals he has scored in his career in the 81st minute to earn full points for Vishwas Gaonkar's side. Sporting are now off the bottom place by 1 position by virtue of a better goal difference than fellow Goan club Salgaonkar Sports Club. With 2 games to play, Sporting are still hanging in there to save their top flight status.
What did the coach say at halftime for you turn the game around?
He told midfielders to put pressure on them, don't play at a defensive, play attacking as much as we can do, we have to attack on them, so strategy works for us.
You came into this game as a must-win game. This was a must-win game, so how much pressure were you under?
We were not under pressure as such, but we have to develop our performance, so we did it.
For you to save relegation, you still have to win more games. I mean, how confident are you now?
We are now with this match against Mahindra. It's very tough match, so we did good job. So let's see, we'll do better than this in next coming matches.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Dempo Cricket Club are in a strong position against Goa Sports Academy in the semi-final match of the GPL 3 Days Cricket Tournament. Arpit Vasavada played a crucial role for Dempo by scoring 169 runs.
At Panjim Gymkhana ground, Dempo declared their first innings at 428 runs for the loss of 9 wickets. Arpit Vasavada's knock of 169 runs led Dempo to the massive total. Sumira Namonkar and Rahul Keni contributed 86 runs each. Sahil Duri picked up 3 wickets for GSA. Shashi Kadam and Tushar Narvekar also grabbed 2 wickets each. At the end of the second day's play, GSA were on 37 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Rajshekhar Harikant with 16 runs and Damodar Lodlikar with 11 runs remained not out for GSA. The final day's action could be exciting if Dempo failed to bundle out their opponents before GSA surpassed their total. In such a situation, the team's run average will come into play to decide the winner. At Bits Pilani's ground in Zuari Nagar, Salgaonkar Sports Club scored 195 runs for the loss of 6 wickets. Hemant Shetgaonkar top scored with 62 runs, while Ninath Pavaskar scored 39 runs. For Chogle Sports Club, Ryan D'Souza picked up 3 wickets, while Amok Desai grabbed 2 wickets. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar, and sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's summer holidays for schools, so children are now flocking to Goa Science Centre at Miramar to witness unique science experiments. Children also get entertained with these experiments and games. Our video journalist Anil Sanadi brings to you these visuals from Science Centre. Take care and goodbye, and keep watching Prudent Media.